Closing market comments for Tuesday, April the 27th. Markets opened higher again last night after closing limit up yesterday in corn, sold off before rallying to new highs during the night trade. After the break, grains tended lower through the rest of the day and closed down on everything except May corn. At the close, May corn was up 15, July corn down. New crop corn was down 6, old beans down 19, new beans down 20, old crop wheat down 7, and new crop wheat down 7. USDA did announce a sale of 50,800 metric tons of corn to unknown for 2021 and an additional 50,800 metric tons of corn for 21-22 to unknown. Corn gapped higher last night but did sell off during the session and fill the gap on even the May corn, which went down and traded unchanged. Asian feeders are looking at buying feed wheat in place of high-priced corn. So the old saying, nothing cures high prices like high prices. We'll see what impact that has. May beans traded over $16 today for the first time since July of 2013. Viterra announced today that they will build a new canola crushing facility in Saskatchewan, Canada. The facility will be the largest canola plant in the world, processing 2.5 million tons of canola annually. Purdue Farms announced today they were purchasing 31,450 metric tons of Brazilian soybeans to be shipped to the U.S. in May. Dr. Cadanier today lowered his Brazilian corn estimate by 3 million metric tons to 100.0. That's down from the USDA number of 109. He left his Brazilian bean estimate unchanged at 133.0, Argentine corn unchanged at 45.5, and Argentine beans unchanged at 45.0. The dollar was up 95 points today at 90.875. Gold was down $4 at 1776.10, and silver was up 126 at 26,335. Crude oil had a stronger day, closing up $1.29 at 63.20. Stocks all started higher but closed off later in the day. Dow futures down 51, Nasdaq down 65, and S&P down 1. Corn planted this week was up at 17%, up from 8% last week and down from 24% last year and 20% on the average. Indiana was up 7% at 14, Ohio up 4% at 8, Illinois up 11% at 23% complete, Michigan up 3 at 5%, Iowa up 16 at 20, Nebraska up 4 at 6%, Minnesota up 15 at 18%, Wisconsin up 5 at 6%, South Dakota up 3 at 4%, and North Dakota unchanged at 3%. Soybean planting was 8%, up from 3% last week, 7% last year, and 5% average. Indiana was up 5% at 9, Ohio up 3% at 8, Illinois up 13 at 18, Michigan up 4 at 5%, Iowa up 5 at 6%, Nebraska up 3 at 3%, South Dakota up 1 at 1%, Minnesota up 2 at 2%, Wisconsin up 2 at 2%, and North Dakota did not report. Winter wheat conditions were 49%, down from 53 last week, 54 last year. Indiana was 70%, down 1. Ohio down 4 at 78. Illinois up 2 at 69. Michigan down 2 at 71. And Wisconsin up 1 at 85%. Weekly oil inventories will be released tomorrow. Have a good evening. Thanks for watching.